Hey, what's up, YouTube? I have a deck profile on my windups. Yeah, kind of added some stuff. Not really to the main deck, more to the extra on the side. But yeah, I have some duels between me and some of my friends. I'm gonna post up like after this video. So yeah, start off with the monsters. Standard triple rabbit, triple shark. Triple rat, the devil magician, and then the one hunter. That's all my windups. I played 3 tour guides in the Sangan. For the hand traps, we got 3 Valor and a Gores. And then for just attacks, I play 1 Spirit Reaper and 1 Snowman Eater. For the spells, I play 1 Soul Taker. It's good against Chaos Dragons and Heroes and anything, pretty much. 1 Lance. I took an MST out to put in Lance. 1 Mind Control. 1 Pot. That's it for those cards. And then for the staples, I played Double MST, Heavy, Dark Hole, Reborn, and then Book of Moon. For the traps, I play the Solemn Brigade, Double Bottomless, Double Torrential, and then 1 Deep Prison. For the extra deck, I play 1 Adrius, 1 Tyrus, 1 Zemail for the rank 5s. For the rank 4s, I play 1 Roach for Chaos Dragons, and yeah. 1 Utopia, and then 1 Utopia Ray. For the rank 3s, I play 1 Tempo, 1 Acid Golem, 1 Leviair, 1 Leviathan, 1 Gigabrilliant, and then 1 Zen Mains. Then I play 3 Windups and Mighty. So yeah, that's the extra deck. I'll show you guys the side deck too. Double Maxi, Double Snowman, 1 Spirit Reaper, 1 Lance, 1 MST, Triple D Fisher, and then 1 Chalice. Then I play Double Shadow Mirror, and then Double Decree. So yeah, that's the deck, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my contest, my personal channel, and my trade binder, and yeah, peace out.